Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Review for Retail. Let's do the unboxing for Vivo V9 Pro. My name is Dinesh. Let's get unboxing. Product is ordered from Flipkart. You can see the packing. It's just a fragile cover. Let's cut it out and see what it is. Invoice copy, packing wrap to protect, let's remove the plastic cover. And let's see what is in the package. A back cover looks decent. Seam ejector tool, and some warranty guide and a quick starter guide. This information about the barcode and the variant. Here is the phone. It looks premium, but the quality of the phone and the back cover is it's made of plastic. It's not the aluminum. It's nicely packed. Here is the front. Here is the back. Let's put it aside and see what's in the box. We have a power brick. It's a 5 volt and 2 amps charger, you can see. And a USB cable of type B. And the basic headphones. And that's it. Let's give a first boot to the device to see if it's charged. Here we can see the logo, Vivo camera and music. It's taking a while to boot up. Let me give you the physical overview. On the top we have the primary camera, which is 16 megapixel. On the back we have 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel. To the center we have a fingerprint scanner, Vivo branding. To the side we have volume rockers and a power on button. On the bottom we have a 3.5 mm jack, secondary mic for voice cancellation, and the speaker for grill. It's a type B charging port. Let me give you the overview. It's a 4GB variant with an internal storage of 64GB, expandable up to 256GB. The screen, it's 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display. The back camera is 30 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. The front camera is 16 megapixel, and the battery is powered by 3260 mAh. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660. Let's set up the fingerprint. Okay. Fingerprint has been set up. Let's see how responsive it is. It's pretty fast. It is a customized screen, and there are some pre-installed apps. Phone looks to be pretty faster when the screen is responsive. Let's see the SIM tray. It is a SIM ejector tool which comes with the phone. It is not a hybrid SIM. It comes with 2 SIM and 1 SD card. So it's good that Vivo has given an option with the 2 SIM and memory card. Let's see the Android version out of the box. Settings, then more settings, about phone. Here we can see out of the box it comes with Android 8.1.0, and again it says 4GB variant and a Fun Touch OS 4.0. Let's fire up the camera to see the back camera, and let's see, it's under low lighting. Let me take a pic. The back camera looks pretty good. We'll do the more testing later.